Lofoten, one of the most picturesque places in Norway, and a place where a lot of people wants to visit, mainly because of the incredible nature, the many mountains to climb, and to get the pictures others will be jealous of. Yeah, that's right. We all want those pictures or videos to show off to our family, friends, or on social media. But there's a catch in all of this. Over 1 million other people wants the same thing. We like to travel to secluded places with less tourists and fuss. If you're like us, avoid visiting Lofoten in the start of June to the mid of August. This is when the majority of people visit, and it's the same period of the public holiday season for Norwegians. If you are planning to travel with a motorhome, a camper, or want to live in a tent during your stay, don't have your hopes up. The spots to park or put up your tent will be absolutely packed as well. Not only is Norway expensive, but packed with people during this season. Vesterålen, on the other hand, has a lot less tourists. It's only a short ride from Lofoten and provides a calm and relaxing atmosphere throughout the entire region. Of course, there are hotspots in Vesterålen that see a lot of tourists, but not nearly as much as in Lofoten. If you search for Lofoten on YouTube, you get over 11,000 video results. Many of the videos shows you how perfect Lofoten can be. The amazing hikes, the amazing mountains, the untouched nature, and so on. And it really is as beautiful as many pictures and videos show. But there's a massive lack of information on the terrible infrastructure for the amount of tourists that visit. The roads, the parking condition, and accessibility to toilets is a real problem for visitors. If you have to stay in the queue just to get up a mountain trail to reach the summit, it's way too crowded. Every year, tourists die or get severely injured in the Lofoten Mountains, mostly because of bad gear and footwear, but little experience, ignorance of the danger it can be, and unaware of the rapidly changing weather we can get. This is why we urge you to seek up professionals, checking your own gear, and double check the weather report before you embark on a hike. Since both of us are born and raised in Lofoten, we find Lofoten crowded, and we often get flustered because of this during the summer season. Don't rush your journey during the summer. Take a time out and think about what you want to see and visit when traveling to Vesterålen and Lofoten. Tune in next time as we explore Vesterålen and give you our hot locations for sunset pictures. Until next time, subscribe.